Once upon a time, in a field full of lush green grass, lived a tiny mouse named Squeaky. Squeaky was like any other mouse, always looking for food, always in a hurry. He would scurry around the field, his little heart beating fast, never stopping to smell the roses or watch the sunset. He was too busy running. One day, while Squeaky was dashing between the blades of grass, he saw something unbelievable. There was a huge piece of cheese right in the middle of the field, bigger than Squeaky himself. Squeaky had never seen such a big piece of cheese in his entire life. Without wasting a moment, he started to run towards it. As Squeaky got closer to the cheese, he could see that it wasn't just any ordinary cheese. It was cheddar cheese, his absolute favorite. The smell of the cheese filled his tiny nostrils and made him run even faster. Squeaky could almost taste the cheese when suddenly, gotcha! A large shadow loomed over him, and a pair of beady eyes stared directly at him. It was Mr. Owl, the meanest and grumpiest owl that lived in the field, and he was known to eat mice for breakfast. Squeaky froze in fear. His heart started to beat very fast, faster than he could ever remember. Mr. Owl opened his sharp beak and started to move in for the kill. Squeaky knew he couldn't outrun Mr. Owl, so in a desperate attempt to save his life, Squeaky did the only thing he could think of, started to run in circles around the cheese. Mr. Owl was taken aback by this unexpected move. He had never seen a mouse run in circles before, let alone run in circles around his favorite cheese. As Squeaky ran faster and faster, making circle after circle, Mr. Owl became more and more confused. Why was the mouse running around the cheese instead of eating it? Was the mouse playing some kind of trick on him? Mr. Owl wasn't sure what to make of it. After a while, Squeaky slowed down. He was exhausted from running, and his heart was still beating very fast. But he had managed to escape from Mr. Owl. As he looked back, he saw Mr. Owl fly away in a huff, muttering to himself about silly mice. Squeaky took a moment to catch his breath. He was still shaking from the experience, but he couldn't help but feel a sense of pride. He had outsmarted Mr. Owl and saved his own life. From that day on, Squeaky continued to live his life in the field, but he was a changed mouse. He was still very busy and always in a hurry, but he also took the time to appreciate the world around him. He learned that it was all about running, and there was more to life than just escaping from Mr. Owl. He started to notice the beautiful flowers that dotted the landscape and the sweet berries that grew in the bushes. He even began to enjoy the sound of Mr. Owl's hoots, knowing that it was just part of the music of the field. Squeaky still loved to run, but now he ran with a new sense of joy and wonder. He ran because he loved the feeling of the wind in his fur and the sun on his back. He ran because he was grateful to be alive and living in such a beautiful place. And most of all, he ran because he knew that no matter how fast he went, there was nothing in the field that could catch him. And that is the tale of the mouse who couldn't stop running. Do you like this story? Then please like this video and share with your friends. Also, check out these other awesome stories and have a great day.